birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa iyo na sana hindi ka magbabago at bigyan ka pa sa buong kapal na habang makakapunta. Sana marami ka pang
Happy
matutulungan
birthday
na
to
nangangailangan
you.
ng tao
Happy
kasi
birthday to
na-touch
you.
talaga ako
Happy
nung
birthday, happy
tinulungan mo
birthday,
yung
happy
kapatid
birthday to you.
hindi ko akalain talaga mo na ganun kabigay ka. Maraming salamat ma'am. Ang pangalawa, ikaw ang the best sponsor na nakilala ko. Pangalawa na lang tuloy si Sir Rene Cabrera. Ikaw ang the best sponsor na hindi ka magbabago mo sama-sama tayong matagal pa. God bless you more. Laging ingatan mo yung sarili. Happy birthday. I love you. Ingat ka lagi talaga sa iyong pagpasok at pagbiyahe mo. Pabayaan mo sarili.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Gisa. Many more birthdays to come in your life. And sana hindi ka magbabago. Always maganda. Tapos humble. Tapos salamat sa pagiging mabait sa amin. At sana marami ka pang matulungan. Hindi ka lahat kami pinakisamahan mo ng maganda bilang supervisor namin. Kaya ngayon, yung kaarawan, batiin ka namin ng happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday again. Hindi ko na alam ang sabihin ko. Basta, thank you sa pagiging mabait sa amin. Thank you so much. And happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday to you.
birthday,
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
happy
birthday to you.
birthday to you. Ayan na, magpagilig-gilig pa yun. Happy birthday!
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon po. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, and more birthday to come. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa iyong kabaitan sa lahat namin. Sa lahat ng tinulungan mo sa time na nangangailangan. Salamat sa nandyan ka lagi. Salamat sana. Hindi ka magbago. Love ka namin lahat. Tandaan mo yan. So, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, May. Happy birthday. Salamat ang tulong mo. Sana hindi ka magbago. More birthday. Sana pagpatuloy mo kayo, mabait mo, mag-iingat ka palagi. Salamat kasi andyan ka. Hindi mo ako kinukonsider sa mga lahat ng pagkakamali. Salamat. Happy birthday, May.
Hi mom, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your birthday and more birthday to come. Salamat sa lahat ng